It takes more than just a dream to build an empire. It takes a team of dedicated individuals who bring their best to the table day in and day out. Their hard work builds a reputation that turns into trust, which eventually leads to success. And this is the story of one such team and how they built an empire. This is the story of Honda. Do you know what's common between Toyota and Honda? Both of them started out by manufacturing bicycles. But while Toyota gradually moved on to three-wheelers and then two cars, Honda took a different route. After manufacturing bicycles for a few years, they decided to focus entirely on motorcycles. And this decision paid off big time. In 2021, Honda sold over 14 million motorcycles globally, making it the largest manufacturer in the world. But Honda didn't stop there. They expanded into other areas as well. Today, they manufacture and sell more than 10 million automobiles every year. Also, they are the 8th largest company in the world by revenue. So how did Honda become so big? Let's find out. At the end of World War II, Soichiro Honda was a young entrepreneur with a big dream and a small engine manufacturing company. Despite facing numerous challenges, including a devastating fire that destroyed his factory, Honda's unwavering determination and innovative spirit led him to create the iconic Honda Super Cub. This revolutionary motorcycle would go on to become a massive success, propelling Honda to new heights in the global market and cementing its place in history. It's a symbol of Japanese ingenuity and resilience. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe for more amazing stories. Also, show some love and hit the like button. Now let's get back to the story. Soichiro Honda, the visionary founder of the Honda Motor Company, had a lifelong passion for engines that began during his early years in his father's bicycle shop. As a young man, he honed his skills as an engineer, working at an engine manufacturer and later developing his own high-performance engine. Despite facing setbacks such as the destruction of his factory during World War II, Honda's determination never wavered. With the help of his wife and a small team of dedicated employees, he persevered through numerous challenges to create the Honda Super Cub, a revolutionary motorcycle that changed the course of the company's history. The Super Cub's innovative design and affordability made it an instant hit with customers. It's propelling Honda to international success and establishing its reputation as a major player in the global motorcycle industry. The establishment of the Honda Motor Company marked a significant milestone in the automotive industry, setting in motion a series of events that would revolutionize the way people moved and do business. Soichiro Honda's relentless pursuit of excellence and innovation led to the creation of groundbreaking products that pushed the boundaries of what was possible in the world of automobiles. One of the most iconic vehicles to emerge from Honda's research and development efforts was the Honda Super Cub, a small, lightweight motorcycle that was designed to navigate the congested streets of post-war Japan. With its innovative step-through frame and automatic transmission, Super Cub offered a convenient and efficient mode of transportation for the masses, quickly becoming a symbol of economic growth and personal freedom in Japan. The success of the Super Cub paved the way for Honda's expansion into new markets and product categories, including automobiles, where the company's engineering prowess and commitment to customer satisfaction quickly made them a formidable competitor. Honda's entry into the U.S. market in the 1960s was met with both excitement and skepticism. American consumers were intrigued by the company's small, fuel-efficient motorcycles. But the Honda brand was relatively unknown, and the company faced challenges in gaining a foothold in the market. However, Honda's engineers and executives were determined to overcome these obstacles and establish the company as a major player in the U.S. motorcycle industry. One of the key factors in Honda's success was its ability to adapt its products to the unique needs of the American market. For example, the company's engineers worked hard to develop motorcycles that could meet the demands of American riders, who were known for their love of speed and power. Additionally, Honda's commitment to quality and customer service helped to build trust and loyalty among American consumers, which was essential for the company's growth in a highly competitive market. As Honda's popularity grew in the U.S., the company's influence in the motorcycle industry also increased. Honda executives began to explore new opportunities for growth, including expanding into the automobile market. In the early 1970s, Honda introduced its first car, the Honda City, which was designed specifically for the North American market. While the City wasn't a major success, Honda's subsequent models, such as the Civic and Accord, were game changers. These compact, fuel-efficient cars were well suited to the changing needs of American consumers, who were becoming more environmentally conscious and looking for affordable, practical vehicles. Over the years, Honda has continued to innovate and expand its product line, introducing a wide range of vehicles that cater to diverse consumer needs and preferences. The story of Honda is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the transformative impact that innovation can have on society. From its humble beginnings as a small engine manufacturer to its current status as a global automotive powerhouse, Honda has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the world of automobiles. The company's commitment to excellence, customer satisfaction, and environmental responsibility has earned it a reputation as one of the most respected and admired brands in the world. As Honda looks to the future, it's clear that the company's legacy of innovation and its ability to anticipate and respond to changing market demands will continue to drive its success. Whether it's developing new technologies to improve fuel efficiency or exploring alternative sources of energy, Honda is poised to play a leading role in shaping the automotive industry and addressing the challenges of tomorrow. If you want to hear more amazing business stories, stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.